Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Victoria community. Before starting the review of this amazing platform, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for further upcoming video notifications. So guys, let's start review now. Welcome to Lecker Talk Space. So guys, today I describe about the Lecker Dog Space, how you can buy this token and how you can hold this token and how you can get profit or reward by a drop on this amazing platform. So I explain each and everything about this platform, so you don't skip any part of this video, and I have placed all official links in my video description. So guys, let's start the review now. Dog Space is basically on Solana blockchain, and with layer of 2 scalability. Dog Space LDS is an innovative meme coin. Basically it is a meme coin and it is built on Solana blockchain with a vision to establish a layer of L2 solution and aimed at elevating congestion on the Solana network. So here is the contract address of Dog Space. You have to copy this and you can buy this amazing token. So here is their white paper. Also I describe it later. And what is the layer 2 solution? Layer 2 solution provide a framework of scaling blockchain networks by moving some of the computational process of chain while still retaining the security guarantee of underlying blockchain. So by doing so, layer 2 solution what is the aim of layer 2 solution? It is aims to increase transactions through throughput and reduce latency without compromising decentralization or security. So here is the roadmap of Dog Space. In initial launch phase, launch at the LDS token on the Solana network and distributions of token fairly among early adopters and supporters, establish basic branding and social media's presence. In phase 2, they develop their community and engage with the community like different platforms, Discord, Telegram, and Twitter. And also their host Emma Ask Me Anything session to answering question and gather feedback. And they also launched their community-driven initiatives such as meme contents and token giveaways. And in third phase, they develop website and launch on LDS websites and include essential information like team, roadmap, and technomics, and also create a user-friendly interface for assessing resources or updates. And in phase 4, they also develop their white paper publications. They public their white paper and which includes about project vision, technology and roadmaps. There is the also detail of utility of the LDS token with the Solana ecosystem and its long-term value proposition, and they also provide insight into the team's background, token distribution and governance mechanism. In phase 5, they will be listed on famous exchanges and their post listing repeatable cryptocurrency exchange to enhance liquidity and accessibility, and they will be decentralized, both target decentralization exchange and compatible with Solana network. So in phase 6, the second layer blockchain development will produce about on the research and develop the second layer blockchain solution for the Solana network, and also collaborate with blockchain developers and Solana ecosystem. In phase 7, and deployment and integration of about their second layer blockchain solutions, and they also provide documentation and supports for developers looking to build on the LDS second layer protocol. And in 8 phase, their community growth and adaptation will be. So here you can see their tokenomics, which is their liquidity is 94% and airdrop is 1% and development is 5%. So here you can see their complete tokenomics of Dog Space. So here is their graph about on DEX screener. Here you can see the price, which is very low, 0.000548 dollars, and you can easily buy this token. And here you can see their liquidity, which is 4.3k dollars, and here you can see their beautiful bluish graph and it's completely pumping now. And here you can see the transactions and drop traders of the Dog chain tokens. So here you can see the it's completely bluish and it will get more success in upcoming days in futures, and it will be listed it is listed on this famous exchange, so you have to must join this amazing platform. So guys, here you can see it is also listed on the token market cap on exchanging. Here you can see there about like a dog space, and here is the website link, also their contract address. You have to just copy it and you can buy this like a dog tokens. And here you can see there on a token market cap, here graph is, so it's guys, you can see here it's pumping, and it is, so you can see there's the all top trader holders who have bought this amazing token. So guys, you have to must join this amazing platform and you can get a lot of profit in the future. So guys, here is a white paper which I have downloaded. If you have any question and you have any difficulty, so you have to download their white paper and you can get all information about the Lakadog space, their abstract, introduction, layer 2 solution, Lakadog space platform, technical overviews, also benefits of Lakadog space, future development, all things are included in their white paper. So you have to read their white paper and you can get all information about Lakadog space. So here you can see Lakadog Space is revolutionizing Solana blockchain with layer 2 scalability. Here is the abstract about Lakadog Space, about their introduction and their layer 2 solutions, and also the Lakadog Space platform. And here you can see their technical overview also. And here is the benefits of Lakadog Space. Here you can see what is the benefits of Lakadog Space. It is scalability by folding transactions to layer 2 Lakadog space, enhance overall scalability of the Solana network, and it allow for increase throughput and reduce latency. And cost effectiveness is also with fewer transactions proceed on main chain, and users benefit from lower fees and improve cost effectiveness with interacting with the Lakadog space platform. So it is very lower fees and you can buy easily. And third is the decentralization. Despite utilizing of chain computation, Lakadog space maintains the decentralization and security features inherent in Solana blockchain, ensuring trustless interactions between the participation. And these are the all future developments of Lakadog space. And here you can read all of about. So guys, here is the all about the Lakadog space white paper, and these are the transaction details of the Lakadog space. And here you can copy their address and you can buy on Solana. So here is their Telegram community. You have to must join their community because you can get all upcoming application about Lakadog space in their community. So guys, you have to join this community. Here is the Lakadog space Twitter official account. You have to must follow this, and you can get all upcoming news information about Lakadog space on their Twitter account. And here you can see about the all upcoming exciting. So guys, here you can check there the all excited to announcement of their about Lakadog space. Here you can see that Lakadog Lagadog space is also about will be gamify project, and together we will collaborate to accelerate the development of future L2 network. And you have to join us our embark on this journey with an inaugural GameFi partners shaping the future of decentralized gaming on the Laka L2 platform, the first of its kind on Solana, built entirely by the completely Solana blockchain program. And as a token of gratitude, the Lakadog Space community will have a priority access to our partners launch. So you have to stay tuned with the Lakadog Space. And here you can get all upcoming news information about Dog Space. So you have to must join this amazing platform, and you have to invite your family and friends. So see you next video.